Hello, this is James Francis, and in this video I'm going to help you if you've been struggling for what seems like forever. Maybe you're just going round in circles and can't seem to move forward. Maybe you are doing things to move forward, but you aren't actually making any tangible progress. This video is going to be for you because I'm going to talk about something called MVP, and I'm going to reveal exactly what I mean by that in just a second, but first you should know why I'm qualified to teach you this stuff. So as those of you who follow me often will know, I've coached over 200 coaching clients all over the world over the last 10 or 11 years, and also I work one-on-one with people who pay me a lot of money with my Ultimate Done For You service, where we build businesses for the client. Okay, so I've worked in lots of different niches, more than I can even mention in this video. So the one thing that I see very often is people get hung up with procrastination by perfectionism. Okay, procrastination by perfectionism. Now, what does that mean, James? Well, that means when you create any kind of content, let's say it could be your lead magnet, which you give away for free in exchange for people joining your email list. Let's use that as an example. That's a common one. People will often spend ages writing out the actual content itself. They may, change that paragraph and then say, oh, I'll think about it and I'll do more tomorrow. And they come back to it tomorrow and change something else. And then they come back to it the next day and change something else. And it's this endless cycle of procrastination by perfectionism, because it's easier to continue tweaking something than it is to actually get it out there. Okay, because it is daunting. Yes, you are thinking, oh, what if my friends and family see this? What if the whole world sees my content? What will they think? It's a mindset thing, okay? First off, your family and friends probably aren't going to see your stuff because they probably won't be your audience, right? They won't be targeted by your ads because they most likely aren't into the ketogenic diet or aren't into making money online or whatever your niche is, right? So that's thing number one, don't worry about that. My family haven't even seen my stuff, and it's been like 11 years or something crazy. The second thing is as well, that people don't really care that much about whether a paragraph is out of place or whether something isn't perfect, It's about the value. Are they being helped? If they feel like they're being helped, or that you're at least trying your best to help them in your content, that's all that matters, okay? If you're on video, people don't care if the lighting isn't perfect. Right now, I'm still waiting on the delivery of my lighting here in my Mexico apartment, so one side of my face is darker than the other, but guess what? I'm not just delaying any kind of video recording until I receive my light, until it's perfect, because even then there'll be something that I don't like about the video. There will always be something you do not like about your content, okay? And that's why you should create something called the MVP, which stands for minimum viable product, okay? Or products if you have more than one, okay? So what does that mean? Well, that means that you should put something out there that will do its job to begin with, okay? I'm not saying put out crappy content that's not going to help people. I mean, put out version 0.1 of your stuff, okay? And then once it's out there, then you can tweak things and improve things. Because after all, it's not like you put something out there and that's it, you can never change it. Of course, the world would be a very boring place and the information would be always outdated if that were the case, okay? So what you should do to overcome that cycle of just constantly tweaking things or taking forever to get anything out there, a lead magnet should be done in 2 to 3 days, not 2 to 3 weeks, like I see a lot of my coaching clients doing, because they fall into the same trap. And I, of course, have to coach them through this same process. So I want you to have that leg up on everyone else as well. Please, please, please do not worry about something being perfect, whether it's a paid product, whether it's free content, whether it's a video, whatever. Just get the minimum viable product out there, get something out there, because one, that will motivate you because you've done it, you've overcame that mental obstacle, that hurdle of, oh, what if somebody hates it, or what will people think? You'll soon realize that people do not give a crap about whether paragraphs look good enough, or whether there's enough space between paragraphs, or how many pages there is in the report, or whatever. They don't care, they just want to be helped. And the best way of doing that is to get your stuff out there, make an impact on the world in a positive way by helping them to the best of your ability, and of course selling them programs that people need to overcome their problems, okay? And that's our job as marketers. We're not just selling them stuff just to make money ourselves, we're also doing it to help people too, okay? So hopefully you've enjoyed this video. Please take on board what I've said. If you are struggling right now with getting something finished, just put it out there. Get the minimum viable product done, get it out there, and you'll see what impact it has on the world, and it will always be a positive one, okay? And if somebody does complain, so what? You can change it, you can improve it, you can make it better based on that feedback, okay? So hopefully this has helped. Have a great day. Go ahead, subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed, and like the video if you're watching on YouTube. That just helps us to reach more people on YouTube, and I'll speak to you very, very soon. Bye-bye.